Hey, NASDAQ, we get the best dope on the markets. I am your human analyst. And what are we looking at here? We are looking at crude oil here. Crude oil was down to $88.70 just a little while ago. It is It is Hump Day, Wednesday, May 6th, 5/6/26. So here, this is crude oil here. This is the opening here. I've had last day over $100, kind of as a theme here. You know, not to take it home short, but to look for day opportunities to get short. And we had that up here around this 106 level. I talked about even $5 figures like 100, 105, 110. So this is where we are. We came down to here. You can see 87 3/4. Okay, a buck under this low here, which was down about $13. Man, it'll really get messy here. We'll see. We can, we'll see. This is an area right here. This 96 double here. These are a couple trend lines here. This one's off of a couple of the last couple years highs. Okay, going up slightly here. And so we'll see here on the way up here. I don't know. 102 is where we close the week over there, So I think this is just getting going here. So stocks on fire. Bean oil down 177. This is a 3-minute here. We just opened here. We're closing our 12-minute bar here and soon. And, we came out. We had these olive line cells up here. As a matter of fact, here, let me grab this one chart here. Okay, here, let's look at this here. This is July bean oil. I had 2 of them, olive line cells. Okay, so what we're looking for here is to go down to a green down here, 69.32. You can see I got some stuff down here. This is the OC. Okay, this looks like it was tipped. I don't know if that hit or not here, okay? It looks like it hit, didn't it? 72.58, that's in the OC. And then the D's over here, we just missed one of these olives, okay? Down 142, down 141. I don't know, man. The spreads, I don't know what that says here. So these would be some of the charts you would get if you were on here. This was yesterday, May 5th. Look at this. You got about 12 charts. And then you get some of these other ones here, like, what is this? Oh, that's Tesla misspelled here. Oh, I think this one here. Let's just look at this. Okay, Ellington Credit. Okay, listen, if you want it, if you have whatever, man, 10, whatever, however many shares, and you want some levels here, that would be here. Let's just go through here. What is this? This is UPS. And then this was when we were trading. This was yesterday here when we got back under this olive line sell in beans. Here's a couple in corn. This is wheat, and we're down sharply here. Here, look at this wheat here, down 18 cents. So we'll see what goes on here. Let's go take a look at silver here. Okay, silver, goodness gracious. You're sitting down here. You didn't get back down here in silver here. This ended up being the low here around 72, 73. Okay, we rallied here. Look at this. $5.30 rally here. You could see some 7s here last night. You come into some long-term levels, okay, and right here, 77.43 here. Oops, hang on a second here. Let me move that scale over here, okay? So this will be where we're at right now, 77.60. Okay, that's in silver here. Let's go take a look at gold. Okay, here's gold here. Different story here, okay? The central bank, maybe they did finish their selling here, They sold their gold and they bought crude, and oh well. But anyway, here we came back down to some lines here, right around here. This 46, 78 and a half, 77 is a trend line here. We get back under here really fast in one bar. You get your biggest breaks, okay? But then we're over here. This is what we did last night, okay? What was it? 45.56 was the low, right? Looks like probably right here. Yeah, 56.10. Okay, so this is gold here. Listen, this was a big halfway back. And gold broke 1,000 points off a high. All right, let me leave you off on this note here. We got a couple 3 minutes here. So this is the crude oil here is around 95. We did get up to, look at this, man, 97.33. You know, one little punch up there. So I don't know. And then here's the bean oil here. This is a little 3 minute also here. Let's just look at it here because this is like we closed up here. Okay, and now all of a sudden we're getting lower on the week. We got some other things down here. So let's look out below here. This was the low here, 74.30. Okay, we did get down here. Nothing would surprise me here. Let's see if if this is going to break here. So if you need anything, feel free to email me. Go over to NASDOG, take a package, ARP@NASDOG.com. Thanks for watching. Always use a risk stop to stop the risk.